Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will learn about the future roadmap and the supported upgrade paths. That means how we can upgrade to the latest version of D365 Business Central from the older versions. Okay, so let's begin. So in this slide, let me explain you that the first version of the Business Central, where Microsoft completely scrapped the development environment, Seaside development environment, and the Windows client and the CAL language, was uh, the October month of 2019, where Microsoft launched the version Business Central Wave 2. Okay, then in 2020 Microsoft already launched the Business Central Wave 1 on April month, and the next scheduled release of the Business Central Wave 2 version is uh, on October month. Okay, then the same scenario will be applicable or followed by the Microsoft in the year of 2021 also, where two versions will be launched in the gap of 6 months. First on April and second one is on October. The name will be same like Wave 1 and Wave 2. Okay, so let's go to the second slide. Well, this slide will give you a closer look about how Microsoft is approaching uh, the and evolving the Business Central software, to be starting with October 2019 until October 2023. Okay, so we can clearly see from this slide that Microsoft is launching a new version of the Business Central in every 6 months, and the support which Microsoft provide for a one particular version will be of 1.5 years only. So that means when Microsoft launched the BC 2019 Wave 2 on October 2019, that means that this version will be supported by Microsoft till April 2021 only. After that, you must have to upgrade to the latest version in case you would like to get the full support of Microsoft for the bugs and regulatory fixes. Okay, so let's continue with the next slide. Now, what exactly Business Central is? How many Business Central versions have been already launched by Microsoft after Navision 2018? So, those who don't know, this is the history of the Business Central, where Microsoft have already launched the four version of the Business Central after Navision 2018. The very first version was launched on October 2018. The name referred as Dynamics 365 Business Central version 13. Well, version when it comes to version 13 and the version 14, these versions are not much different comparable to Navision 2018, because these two versions are having the Seaside development environment, CAL language, and the Windows client too. So this means that you will continue to use the Windows client and your favorite Seaside development environment. But in from the year of 2019 October month, Microsoft have launched the Business Central version 15, where they have completely scrapped the Seaside environment, CAL language, and the Windows client. So with that mean with that goes, the version 15 was the starting point where you have to completely learn and see the Navision version uh, without Seaside and the CAL language and the Windows client. Okay, and just like in the year of 2020 and April month only, Microsoft have launched a new version named as version 16. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Now the question comes that how we can upgrade to the Business Central version 15 or the version 16. As I mentioned that from the version 15 only, Microsoft have completely scrapped the Seaside. So that means in case you are running version Business Central version 13 or 14, or the older version which is Navision 2018, that means you must have to upgrade it to the version 15 or the version 16 in order to use the latest features, and avoid the Windows client in the C-side development environment. Okay, so if we want to upgrade to the version 15, then like if your client is running the Navision 2015 or 16, 17 or 18, and even the Business Central version 13, then you cannot directly upgrade to Wave 2 or version 15, right? You must first have to upgrade all these versions of Navision 15, 16, 17, 18 or version 13 of Business Central. You must first have to upgrade to the Business Central version 14, right? After when you upgrade to the Business Central version 14, then only you can directly convert that database to version 15. All right, so there is no direct method to upgrade the Navision 2015 to Navision to Business Central version 15. Okay, so this is the upgrade path of Business Central version 15. Now let's look at the upgrade path of Business Central version 16. Okay, so in case you want to upgrade your Navision or the Business Central to the latest version of Business Central, which is version 16, then in that case, if your current version of Navision is 15, 16, 17, 18 or 13, you must first have to upgrade your version to Business Central version 14 first, and then if you upgrade successfully to version 14, then you can directly upgrade it to the version 16. So this means that whether you would like to upgrade it to version 15 or version 16, the first step is to convert your database to transform your database to version 14, right? So this is the upgrade path on or upgrade detail, like how you can transform or upgrade your current Navision version to the latest version of the Business Central. Okay, now to to get the more detailed information about what are the upgrade steps which we have to follow to convert our database from one version to the latest version of the Business Central, I recommend you to go and check out this link where you can get all the information published by the Microsoft in order to upgrade your current version to the latest version of Business Central. For your convenience, I will provide this link in the description section. You can check out this link from the description section also. So guys, that's all in this video. If you like this video, just click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.